First game of the night. Oh, there we go. It's like if you pick this, whatever they give you here, if you win. I'll try to do 3D duels tonight. This is the first. I'm back with another ranked match. When I lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. Want to duel me? Be in a video, or want to see the deck list? See the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Dude! Fafnir, Nova. What do I got here? I got him. Not that. We're gonna do Nova. He's got something. Gonna ash me? He's gonna. That's okay. Alpha. How do I get him back? Oh yeah, with Alpha's effect, you get Ben-10. Zeta, Ben-10. 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 I could go for orange light. I have something here. I have a fairy. I'll go for a union carrier. Activate effect. Target himself. Dawn Knight. Video on DRYTRON4. Ben-10 from the grave. Use union carrier. Dawn Knight. It's gonna dump Gamma. Use the Ben-10 from there. Gamma. Ben-10 from hand. Special. Activate effect. Special. From grave. Ben-10. Gonna give me Vandy's Ruler. Activate Meteor DRYTRON4. Decrease 1000 attack. Add to hand. Go with that. Have more negates if I go like this. Oh god. Vandy's Ruler. Tribute summon. Ben-10. Not using Fafnir. I'm gonna get ultimateness. Damn it. That didn't work. I thought I was gonna get Eva in my hand, but no. I will only have one negate. I should have just double Ben-10. Got the orange light and Eva. Me on DRYTRON4. Herald of Ultimateness. In defense. I think I'm going too fast and I have one negate. What do I shotgun? Lancia? Fernando. Have one negate. Should have ended off with more negates with the double Ben-10 tribute. Hey, what happened to the chat here? No chat. There's no chat. There's log and card. What happened to the chat? Foxy. Alright, go ahead. What happened to the chat? Like, the chat was good. The chat was great. Desires, go ahead. Upstart, Goblin. Draw one card and your opponent gains 1,000. What do I have in here? Okay, I need Delta in here. So, Cyber Emergency. Delta. Alpha. Tribute, Delta. Rivalry of Warlords. That is gonna be negated with Herald of Ultimateness. Alpha, then 10. Then we're gonna just switcheroonie, draw a card. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. He's gonna do a bunch of adding. I'm just gonna drill and Lockbird him. What happened to the chat? That's it. That's it. Like, I just can't chat anymore. Troll and Lockbird. Drew it. He bricked. He sided in too many cards. He has 2 set cards. Cyber Emergency. That is going to be Zeta. Alpha. Tribute. 10-10. No, it's gonna ash me. Attack Sailor? No, I can't attack Sailor. Has to be face up. Check. Get the other Benton. Benton. Gonna get the other. Uh-oh. It's got something. The other Benton. Zeta, tribute Ben 10. What? This is target of 2 light monsters in your graveyard. And banish those targets. No. For Ben 10. Oh my god, there's all my Ben 10s. No! I want to have Vanity Jeweler. Solemn Strike. Oh, I still have a Ben 10 in the grave. Haha! Needing this Drytron. Little pre-prep. 2 monsters with the same type or attribute. Link Shoken. Union Carrier. Don't interrupt my combo. Rivalry of Warlords. Activate effect. Target himself, equip it with Dawn Knight. Wow, I can't even do that. You really shut me down here, did you? Rivalry of Warlords. This is a machine, so I can't even. Battle. Union Carrier direct stack. Really? Dun. Ha! DRYTRON4. Activate effect. Hit Nova, but I can't even use Nova. Because of Rivalry of Warlords. Alright, never mind. Oh yeah, I could use a machine. Right. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Game 1 or duel 1. First game of the night. Ended off with a victory. Awesome. Comment, share, like if you subbed it. Sub if you liked it. See you guys.